Today let me show you how to fix DBS Digibank login problem. If you're having issues logging into your online banking account of Digibank, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you are entering in your correct username as well as the PIN. If you think that the details that you're entering are not correct, you can tap on the forgot ID or the forgot PIN option so that you can create a new ID or just find out your ID or the PIN that you have added in. So make sure you do that first of all. But however, if this is not the case for you, this could be likely happening due to app glitches. So what you can do is head back, tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear data being displayed. You can simply tap on this. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is if the second option is still not working out, you can just reinstall the application onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing this issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.